Well, monarch butterfly is orange and black predominantly. They are a migrating butterfly, so that means that we see them in the early spring when they are migrating north, and then we start seeing them again in late summer when they start heading south, and then the migrating generation in late September. I'm Pat Eisenach, and I'm just helping with the pollinator garden at Gateway Nature Preserve. When a butterfly is ready to lay eggs, she will search out milkweed plants, lays eggs usually on the underside of the leaf, and will lay several eggs individually on leaves. And the egg will hatch in about 5 days, and then the caterpillar goes through what they call instars, 5 instars, which means that as it grows it has to shed its skin so that it can get bigger. So it sheds its skin 5 times. Caterpillar will usually go off the milkweed onto some other place that's a little secluded and split its skin the last time, and underneath the skin is its green chrysalis. And we have at least 3 types of native milkweed here in our area. The common milkweed, which is this kind with the big leaves, and swamp milkweed and butterfly weed. Once the caterpillar starts eating, the sap in the milkweed plant is toxic. It's not toxic to the caterpillar, but it's toxic to anything that wants to eat the caterpillar or eat the butterfly. The common milkweed gets a big flower cluster, usually pink. It has very large leaves and they're pretty soft. The swamp milkweed leaves are a lot thinner, and butterfly weed leaves are even thinner than that. If you want to have milkweed in your garden, there are various sources for that. You can check with your local nursery and ask if they have any native milkweed. You can ask neighbors and other gardeners. If you see a sign in somebody's yard that says Monarch Way Station, that means that they've got milkweed and they're probably happy to share. The Forsyth County Extension Office may have some or know of places you can get it. And one thing to remember, that if you have milkweed in your garden at home, you want to avoid using any pesticides, including anything labeled as organic, because it may be organic for your food and you can eat it and it's called organic, but it's a pesticide nonetheless and it kills caterpillars. And so if you're planting milkweed to help out the monarch, you can't use pesticides because you'd just be killing them.